Welcome back, guys. Let's double check just the local zones, 12 time frame, 4 hour time frame, maybe even 1 hour time frame. Some zones for near protocol with my custom indicator set. Global targets, guys, you remember, so I will not repeat again the main targets. The craziest accumulation zone for investment, maybe when I will even buy this token for the spot, it's $1.22 and 75 cents. In this range, and maybe I will even wait the $1 and not touch it 122 for the spot, because I think the near will reach the main targets. That's why it can be the good risk ratio if we will see this entry. If not, I will focus only on speculation with the leverages. So locally, guys, if we take a look at daily, let's hide, by the way, this rectangle. If we take a look at the daily, so we retested the 20 EMA, 50 EMA. So the next step should be like 100 EMA and 200 EMA. So we walk from level to level. The question, one and only, will we see that deeper correction to close this daily imbalance zone? And everything now mostly depends of Donald Trump again. First of all, the last day of January, again, that Donald Trump say maybe we will see another United States government shutdown. One bearish news potential. It's not 100%. It will happen. The conflict and some military operation in Mexico, also in upcoming days, it can be like it triggers, the situation between the United States and Iran. So all of these geopolitics, unfortunately, guys, affect the prices so much. Highly recommend you go and check. Yesterday, I posted the educational video about QT and QE, how it affects the BTC. So now the Fed stop at QT, and now they run the QE. And basically, yes, they have to print the money. We should see the new liquidity into the market, but it's bullish. It's bullish. So we got like geopolitical situations which can trigger the market, drop it again down. And it's not only about NIR or BTC, it's in general. And we have some seasonality triggers for bullish cases. That's why it's hard to say which one will affect the markets first. So I hope everything will be okay between the United States and Mexico, one take. Also, I don't think so we will see another shutdown in government in the United States, second moment. And I believe that some liquidity will inflow into alts, and we will see the main rally, but to the conservative price targets. So this is just some news, or some thoughts about it. So technically, guys, so this is an order block, maybe where makes sense, try open long. So maybe around here. So let's count the stop loss can be under this level at an order block. So second leverage, 10% stop loss with the target at least it's 45. So 10% against 80, 90. So it can be the pretty good trade. Weekly time frame, like you can see, anyway, we will come back and test all of these lines. So like you can see, we drop, test 20, 50. So the next step should be 322. It's 100 AMA, and the weekly time frame 385. It's 200 AMA. 12 time frame. So the next step is $1.96. So it's a test of 20 AMA. So if we start, we still not break the structure, we need to see something like this one, past the 200 AMA, around the $2, break the structure at least on 12 time frame, come back, maybe even to this daily gap, sweep this liquidity, and after that, so we'll see some main reversal move, and it can be like inverse head and shoulder. So this is a more than real. What we can see in the next, I don't know, 20 days. So 20 days. So here till here we can see. Let's mark the vertical line by date here. This one. So in this block, we can see this price movement, and it's going to be good. is going to be good. So my take, I'm going to add alerts here to maybe open some futures position. All right, so let's close the EMA. The opens, of course, this is a weekly open, daily, monthly, and yearly. So I don't think so we're going to drop and test the monthly and the yearly open like $1.51, but it's possible. Take a look now with ADZ direction market mood. It's not like accumulation, not neutral, not a distribution, so close to the neutral zone. So it's not enough reasons, to open position now. Daily, we just passed the neutral zone, so soon we will see the break of structure on 12 time frame, maybe test of $2.07 gap fulfill on the daily, and crash it down again, to the $1.55, $1.58. It will be pretty good if we will see this movement, and yes, it can be like pump, break the structure on 12 time frame, and drop 25% by end of the month. And February, March, April, May, maybe we'll see the green one. I hope also, this cycle, they print a lot of stable coins, around 300 billion now market capitalization in stable coins. So I hope this is exactly that liquidity with inflow into BTC and alts soon. Now, based on the daily time frame, it's positive, some optimism. 12 time frame ADZ we can close. This one direction, it's no time to sell. By the way, we can even test this daily block. Let's adjust like this one and start build the uptrend structure. So higher lows and lower highs. So this one, higher lows, no, high highs, local one. Money power, no money inflow yet on 12 time frame, daily time frame. It's kind of strange, but yes, here 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row money outflow. That's why, guys, I will be not surprised if Monday, Tuesday we will see the correction to $1.56. At this point, I'll get my alerts. By the way, we can retest this level here and start climbing up to the top from that one. So here, this is my level, $1.61, $1.52. This is a range where maybe I will try catch some long position. Trade on, by the way, here. 12 time frame, the last signal to buy was here 19 December. Take profit, sell. Let's add alerts for take profit from that sale. By the way, the last similar signal was on Paul, what I posted. So the same structure was a buy. After that, sell, and from sell, I get a signal take profit. So we need to close all short position and start looking the long. That's why for near on 12 time frame, I guess, and will be good if at $1.61, $1.53, we will see the signal take profit. A 4 time frame. Also no take profit signal, so let's add it. So of course I will wait more like on 12 time frame, but 4 time frame will be like signal for me to start looking at the chart and be ready to open position. So personally for me, the best option is to open long from $1.55 to the at least take profit line $2.20, exit line $2.47. The buy line, if you believe we're gonna drop lower, it's $1.10, and for my value it's 82 cents. So everything what is around $1 or under $1, I repeat again, this is a price target where I will be ready to accumulate near 4 spot. Buy line on a daily, it's $1.30. Basically, we already retested the buy line. I don't think so we're going to drop again, but it's possible. Fundamental value of the stock in 97 cents. Take profit line daily to 259, exit line 292. So guys, all targets I showed you, local zones I showed you. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show you in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Montecom channel. See you next time, guys.